Hey everybody, I'm here today to do an unboxing and review of this Apocabox. Now for those of you that don't know, the Apocabox is a bi-monthly survival-based subscription box. So that means that every 2 months you're going to get a box that is packed with survival-based items. Items that are based on a survival theme. This is the August 2018 Apocabox, and it is the non-con pack. So I'm going to just go over what's inside of it, but before we start, non-con basically stands for non-consumables. So it's going to be packed with stuff that's going to be preparing you for long periods of time, because they will work because you're not consuming them, you are using them instead. Alright, with that being said, I'm just actually going to be moving the box to the side, and I'll be unboxing everything onto this little area right here. And inside of this little pamphlet is some cool information, but most importantly, there is the list of contents in the Apocabox. So I'm going to use this as a little guide once I actually pull things out of the box. Now, I will tell you that I have opened this box up. I did open this box up before making this video, just to get a little preview of what was inside. So I'm going to start off with what I consider to be probably the most relevant item in there, the most impactful item in there. So inside of this box, I already opened this up. I was super excited. I mean, this is really cool. Check this out. First thing right off the bat, let's get right to the meat and potatoes of the box. And this right here is a non-con knife. As you can see right here, first and foremost, it comes inside of this sleeve right here. And the sleeve, as you can see, has this little part over here that can be used to just sort of slide onto your belt or onto your waistband, so it keeps it nice and safe, and it's pretty sturdy inside of that sleeve. As you can see right here, I mean, it doesn't seem like it's just going to fall out as you're walking around or as you're running around in the wilderness. But if you actually give it some force, you can see that you can take it out. Now, it is a very sharp knife. It has a nice weight to it, so I really like the fact that it's just weighted really nicely. It feels really balanced. I mean, if you hold it right here, it feels really balanced, and it feels nice when you're actually holding it. It can be used for a wide variety of things. You know, pretty much if you're in the wilderness and you encounter a situation where you need to use something to cut something else or to break off something else, this knife can be used for pretty much almost anything that you can imagine if you are in a survival situation. I'm just going to carefully place it back into the sleeve. As you can hear, it clicks into place. So I'm just going to leave this over here just like that, and I'll put the box and everything to the side. Now the next thing, and this is really cool because it might not seem like it's super useful, but it really is when you think about survival situations. This is a hat right here, and as you can see, it says, I'll just try and turn it so that I can read it as well: survival starts in the mind, not in the pack. And what they're trying to tell you, what Creek Stewart is trying to tell you, from what I presume, is that survival is all about how you think about things. It's not about what you have, it's about how you use those things. Now, a hat will protect your head from the sun, from the rays, which is going to give you more energy, and also because it has this mesh at the back, that means that it's going to allow your head to breathe, which is hugely a plus in my opinion, because a hat might not seem like a survival item, but in reality it is. And it's also a non-con because it's a non-consumable, so it's going to last a long time. Moving forward, as you can see right here, this looks like this would be the non-con trapping kit, I believe. No, actually, I was wrong. This is not the trapping kit. At first look, I thought that it was, but this is going to be the, let's see here, towels, socks. No, it's not on this page. Give me 1 second. Sorry, I'm just flipping it over. So what this is actually to assemble a flint knife and nap your own bottle bottom arrowhead. So right here, as you can see, I'm just going to take this out of the bag. One thing that I like about the Apocabox is that you actually get these little survival skills challenges, and I'll just show you this right here. So it's a survival skills challenge, and it gives you these instructions right here on what to do. So right here it says flint knife, blade, and arrowhead kit. And if you look at the survival skills challenge, it says they want you to assemble a flint knife and nap your own bottle bottom arrowhead. So it's something that you can do. It's not just a box where you're going to open things up and you're going to place them in your bag and you're done with it. It's actually going to allow you to create something. So I like it because you're really getting a good value for your money. I mean, you're truly getting an amazing value for your money. And as you can see, it comes with everything inside of here to actually create the things that you need. Very, very simple. And it will take you some time, but like I said, that's going to give you good entertainment value, a good learning value for your money. It's not like a box where you open something up and you forget about it. You actually get to do stuff with this box, so that's a lot of value. Now we're going to move on to the trapping kit that I thought that this was, but this is the actual non-con trapping kit. So this is a non-con trapping kit right here, very simple. It comes with a bag that you can sort of pull together to make it nice and well kept all together. Very simple trapping kit, as you can see, relatively easy to use, but make sure you know what you're doing before you use it, and obviously check with your local laws, your local trapping laws before you go ahead and try and use it, or even try and test it out on anything. All right, moving forward, we have soup socks. So these are just 2 soup socks right over here. We have 2 of them. They fold up to be really small. So if you happen to need to fold them up, you can fold them up like this. They end up being really small and really, really lightweight. So, I mean, you can literally fold them up like this, put them in your bag, super lightweight. They don't take up any space, basically, and they don't take up any weight. So really, I like things like this. I like non-con items like this because you can place them in your survival bag, in your non-con bag, in your non-con kit, and they're just gonna basically, be free items almost, because they don't take up much space and they don't provide you with much additional weight. So they're just kind of like free items. That's why I really like it. I really like those. Last but not least, what we have here, and this is one of the key factors with this actual Apocabox, and this is the non-con pack book. So right here, as you can see, I'll try and flip it towards you. This is a book all about your non-con pack. Check this out. And I haven't had the chance to read this through yet, actually, just because I just got the Apocabox, but I am truly looking forward to reading this through. I'm really looking forward to gaining all of the information in this book. On the back, as you can see, it says, the non-con pack is your gear list for the apocalypse. So it's really cool. And you can see right here, the author is Craig Stewart, who is the person behind the Apocabox. And it's an awesome book. I cannot wait to just open this up and read through it. And that's basically it. In this video, I've done an unboxing and review of the August 2018 Apocabox. Once again, August 2018, it is the non-con pack, a survival-based, bi-monthly survival-based subscription box. That's what the Apocabox is. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.